Dear students, good morning all of you. Today's topic is tidal power. Let us first understand what is tidal energy. Tidal energy is a renewable form of energy which occurs due to natural rise and fall of ocean tides. It is mainly based on the interaction of gravitational fields of sun and moon. There can be two types of tides. One is high tide, which is also due to highest level of water. The other one is low tide, called as ebb tide, which is the lowest level of water. For power generation, the minimum head of tidal water available should be 5 meters or above. This is the introduction to tidal energy. Now let's move on to what is the principle of tidal energy. How exactly energy can be harnessed from the tidal waves. Let's say a pond is created and it is filled through the sluice means sluice or sluice, it's called gate, when tides are high, and when it is filled it is emptied during low tides. This is the principle used for power generation from the tidal energy. What are the advantages of tidal energy? The first advantage is it is inexhaustible source of energy. Since it is a renewable form of energy, it does not deplete with the time. Then secondly, it is environmental friendly. It does not form any greenhouse effect. Since 71% of the Earth's surface is filled with water, there is huge scope for the generation of electricity. When compared to other form of renewable source of energy like solar and wind, the efficiency is quite high, as much as 80%. And of course, it does not require any kind of fuel to run the plant, especially tidal waves. And the life of the power plant is long. These are the advantages of tidal energy. Let us see what are the disadvantages of tidal energy. Economically not viable, that means not feasible. The power plants are very expensive, and tidal power plants can be successful only at higher tidal range, 5 meter and above. That's what is mentioned earlier. And maintenance of such power plants is very difficult. And turbines needs to run at various speeds, and tidal power plant disrupts marine life and can cause even potential harm to ecology.